Good morning class. So today we are going to discuss about your fifth unit last lesson Sinbad the sailor. So it is the story of a sailor. So what happened is that this sailor went with his friends in a ship, and what happened in the middle of them, they all, that is in the middle of the island, they all stopped, that is they went with the goods for trading. So what happened, when they reached the island, what happened, they pay their friends, what they went to the to bought the fruits, and the sailor, what he did is he bought some food and he eat some of his food and he slept. And after some time he went to deep sleep, and after he woke up, there are nothing, that there is no ship and all went off. Then he looked around and there is no one, and he suddenly saw a big round white ball, and it is very big. And what happened, he went near that ball, and what happened, when a big bird, that is a bird name is rock, rock. So it is a big bird. So that bird came near this egg, and this bird sat on that egg. Then he came to understand that that is a egg of that bird. And after that, what he did is he went near the leg of that bird, and he tied himself with that leg. And bird, what the bird did is, she, that is the bird flew, that is a flied, and with that bird he also flied. And that is one, that is on one place, this bird kept this man here there. That is a big huge valleys, that is the mountains, and there are many big snakes on that place. So the snakes is like they can eat the elephant also, that much big snakes are there. And they that is they hide near the rocks at the daytime, and they come outside near the night time. So this sailor, he didn't understand that what he will do. And what this sailor did is, he hide himself in the cave, and he put one big rock, so that any snake will not come inside that rock. And he thought that sometime I, that if for some time I will sleep. And what happened, that the sound, his sound of that snakes made his sleep impossible. That is, he is afraid that that is, if snake will come, it will eat that sailor, no. So that is why. After that, what happened, he saw a big diamonds around that. That is, he was shocked and surprised that this much diamonds are available here. And here what happened is that that is the sailors, that is the merchants of the diamonds or jewelry, what they do is that they throw a raw meat down. And what happen is that the big birds will catch that raw meat, so that diamonds are stick to that raw meat. And that is the birds which have their young ones, that is the nest, they take that meat to feed that bird's children. So that nest, the diamonds which are stick to that nest are taken by these jewelry merchants, and the raw meat is eaten by that nest only. In this way they used to earn the money. So this sailor, what he did is, he took lots of he took some of the diamonds and he tied in his wrist, and he took a raw meat and he tied on the back of his that is here neck. And he that is hide like this, he hide his head like this, and he stood here. And one of the bird came, and that is one of the bird came, and he took that raw meat. Along with that raw meat, this sailor also went. And after that, when the merchant saw that sailor, they were surprised that how this sailor came to this that is nest. And he told his story, and that merchants helped to go to his hometown. And after that, when he reached to his hometown, he is very healthy, not wealthy. That is, diamonds are there, no, so he got a full of plenty of money. So that plenty of money he helped to the poor people, and he is living a very peaceful life is in his hometown. So here, one, that is one situation changed her life, changed his life totally. So here there is one situation which changes our life also. So don't be sad that if any problem came, don't be sad, because there will be one situation where our life going to become change. So don't be afraid and don't do any silly things. So because our life is god gift, so don't waste it by using different type of silly things. Hope you understand. Thank you.